Want to download Afterpay app in your phone but don't know how to download it? Hi everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. In this video, I'll show you some quick and easy steps on how to download and install Afterpay app. So without any further ado, let's get started. Begin by opening Play Store. If you have iOS device, open App Store. After that, tap on the search button which is at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the search bar and type Afterpay app. Then tap on the Afterpay app. Now click on the install button. I'm fast forwarding this section as it might take some time. Now Afterpay app has been installed in your phone. And that's how you can download and install Afterpay app. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss upcoming videos.